Happy morning, dear students. Today we are going to make a quick revision for the Unit 2 Optics. Choose the correct answer. The refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in option A. Where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Students, you try to find out the answer. So the answer is 2F. So after reading the question, I will give you a pass. So in that, you try to identify the answer as quick as possible. If not, you can follow my answer. A small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce dash. Option C, parallel beam of light. So question number 4. Magnification of a convex lens is dash. So the option is C, either positive or negative. Question number 5. A convex lens forms a real diminished point sized image at focus. Then the position of the object is at. So the answer is option B, infinitive. Question number 6. Power of a lens is minus 4D. Then its focal length is option C, minus 0.25 m. Question number 7. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. So the option is C, in front of the retina. Question number 8. The eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by. So the answer is D, bifocal lenses. Question number 9. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Option A convex lens of focal length 5 cm. So here the 10th question, you just go through it. Now let's enter into the fill in the blanks. The path of the light is called as dash, ray of light. The refractive index of a transparent medium is always greater than dash 1. If the energy of incident beam and the scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as dash scattering. Elastic. According to Rayleigh's scattering law, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its dash wavelength. Amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by dash Irish. So now here true or false. If it is false, we have to correct it. Velocity of light is greater in denser medium than in rarer medium. Answer is false. Velocity of light is less in denser medium than in rarer medium. Question number 2. The power of lens depends on the focal length of the lens. Answer is true. Now question number 3. Increase in the converging power of eye lens cause hypermetropia. Answer is false. Increase in the converging power of eye lens cause myopia. Question number 4. The convex lens always gives small visual image. The answer is false. The convex lens always gives a real image. Now let us enter into the match the following. Retina. The answer is option D, screen of the eye. Pupil. Option A, pathway of light. Ciliary muscles. So the option E, power of accommodation. Myopia. Option B, far point comes closer. Hypermetropia. Option C, near point moves away. So now here assertion and reasoning type. Mark the correct choice as assertion. If the refractive index of the medium is high, the velocity of the light in that medium will be small. Reason, a refractive index of the medium is inversely proportional to the velocity of the light. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Question number 2. Assertion. Myopia is due to the increase in the converging power of eye lens. The reason, myopia can be corrected with the help of concave lens. The answer is, if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. And now the interior questions. The speed of light in vacuum is option A 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 ms raised to the power minus 1. Among the visible light, dash light has the lowest wavelength. Answer is option D, violet. Dash is the fundamental and natural source of light. The answer is option D, sun. Dash is a composite light which consists of light of various colors. So the answer is option A, sunlight. Angle of refraction is the dash for red. The answer is option B, smallest. Dash scattering is caused by pollen dust, smoke, water droplets. Option C, mile. The lines having frequencies lower than the incident frequency is called dash lines. Option B, strokes. Dash lens is called as converging lens. Option C, convex. Dash lenses are used in wide angle spy hole in doors. Option A, concave. If the magnification is dash 1, then we get a diminished image. Option is B, less than. The value of ID is equal to dash. Option A, 1m raised to the power minus 1. The diameter of eyeball is about dash. Option C, 2.3 centimeter. The light enters through the dash in eye. Option C, cornea. Dash is the center part of the iris. Option B, pupil. Eye lens is dash in nature. Option D, convex. If the time interval between two consecutive light pulses is less than dash, human eye cannot distinguish them separately. Option D, 0.1 second. The near point is dash for normal human eye. Option B, 25 centimeter. The far point is dash for normal eye. Option D, infinity. Dash is known as short-sightedness. Option B, myopia. Hypermetropia can be corrected by using a dash. Option A, convex lens. And now fill in the blanks. The sources emit their own light are called as dash, luminous objects. Among the visible light, dash light has the highest wavelength. The answer is red. If a source of light produces a light of single color, it is known as a dash source. Monochromatic. An example for a composite source is a dash. Answer is mercury vapor lamp. The band of colors is termed as dash. So the answer is spectrum. The interacting particle of the medium is called as dash. So the answer is scatterer. If the energy of the incident beam of light and the scattered beam of light are not same, then it is called as dash. Inelastic scattering. Question number 8. Dash lens is also called as diverging lens. Answer is concave. Question number 9. Concave lenses are used as eye lens of dash. So the answer is Gallian telescope. Question number 10. Lens formula is equal to 1 by F m 1 by v minus 1 by u. If the magnification of is greater than 1, then we get and dash enlarge the image. Lens maker formula is dash. Answer is 1 by Fm bracket mu minus 1 1 by R1 minus 1 by R1 the whole. Question number 13. The lens formula and lens maker's formula are applicable to only dash thin lenses. Question number 14. Produces which two images? Concave lenses. Dash is the colored part of eye. Iris. Dash is the most sensitive part of human eye. Retina. Myopia can be corrected by using dash. Concave lens. Dash is known as long-sightedness. Hypermetropia. Astigmatism can be corrected by using dash. Cylindrical lenses. Distinct vision for normal human eye is dash 25 cm. Dash is used in observe fingerprints in the field of forensic science. Simple microscope. Dash is used by watch repairers and jewelers. Simple microscope. Traveling microscope works based on the principle of dash. Vernier. The least count for traveling microscope is dash 0.01 millimeter. Dash is an optical instrument to see the distant objects. Telescope. The first telescope was invented by dash in 1608. Johann Lippershey. Galileo made a telescope to observe dash distant stars. Galileo observed the satellites of dash and rings of dash through the telescope, Jupiter and Saturn. Kepler invented telescope in dash. Answer is 1611. Question number 30. In refracting telescope, dash are used. Lenses. Dash and dash are some refracting telescopes. Galilean telescope, Keplerian telescope. Question number 32. In reflecting a telescope, dash are used. Parabolic mirrors. Dash and dash are some reflecting telescopes. Gregorian telescope, Newtonian telescope. Dash and dash are two major types of telescope. Astronomical telescope, a terrestrial telescope. Dash is used to view heavenly bodies like stars, planets, galaxies and satellites. Answer is astronomical telescope. The image in an astronomical telescope is dash inverted. The image in a terrestrial telescope is dash erect. Dash can be viewed even with a low intensity of light, a telescope. Magnification of a lens m is equal to h raised to the power 1 by h is equal to v by u. Power of a lens p is equal to dash. Answer is 1 by f. The SI unit of power of a lens is dash diopter. Light travels along a dash straight line. The deviation in the path of light ray is called dash refraction. Dash is also called as old age hypermetropia, presbyopia. Match the following. Snell's law. Option 3. Sin 1 by sin r is equal to mu 2 by mu 1. Rayleigh's law. Option 4. SA 1 by lambda 4. Power of lens. Option 2. P is equal to 1 by f. Magnification. Option 1. M is equal to V by U. Question number 2. Position of the object, the opposite side or the relative size of the image. So question number 1. Beyond 2f. So the option is B, diminished. Question number 2. At 2f, the position of the object. So the option is C, same size. So position of the object between f and 2f. Option is D, enlarged. So position of the object at focus F. Option is A, infinitely large. And now assertion and reason. Assertion: in traffic signals, red color light is used to stop vehicles. A reason: because a red light is having shorter wavelength. So the answer here is A is correct and R is wrong. And thank you students, by this we have completed the Unit 2 Book Back and Interior 1 marks. We'll meet you in the Unit 3 in the next part. Thank you and have a good day.